Euro dollar under pressure with the strength mentioned in the USD that we're seeing at the moment. And obviously the structure you can see remains very much to the downside with the lower highs, the lower lows. And we're heading into our third consecutive session in the red. And it comes with renewed geopolitical tensions. US strikes Iran targets for the second time in 3 days. The US military carried out new strikes on Iran, targeting a military site in Bandar Abbas, a strategic port city. And as I said, Kuwait have had to activate their defense systems with retaliation strikes coming from Iran in the form of missiles and drones. So this is largely hurting market sentiment. And as we know, the dollar thrives in that environment and forcing the dollar pairs such as euro and GU to the downside. Now, if we look at euro here, we broke out of this flag that we were looking at, this rising channel. You can see break, retest there. If we drop down to the 1 hour, you can see that it's beautiful sort of price action breakout, and then just consolidation, tapping, forming a narrowing pennant pattern there, and then a flush of downside momentum coming in towards 16 area of liquidity. So that's the area of liquidity here. You can see those lows in full defense. In order for a continuation to the downside, it would be looking for the case of the simple break, retest, and then a push to the downside in towards 15. That would be the next area of liquidity that would be drawn into. But currently on the 30-minute, you can see at the time of recording here, we're just sort of coming up towards try and test the potential Asian range high. Personally, I did get in some shorts yesterday at New York just on this sweep above the high there of the Asian range. There's always that potential possibility, not financial advisor, it's a possibility that we don't sweep the Asian range high for a possible continuation to the downside foot to be drawn into that next area of liquidity as noted.